How to fix Roblox game freezing on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox freezing on your mobile device. It's a fast and simple process, so follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to try updating your Roblox application. For that, open Play Store or App Store according to your device, click on the search bar in the top, and then search for Roblox application. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color instead of play, simply tap on it to update it to its newest and latest version available. You can also enable auto updates to keep Roblox updated with performance improvements and bug fixes. Now also try clearing the cache and the data. For that, open System Settings, scroll all the way down and go to Apps. From the search bar in the top, type in Roblox and search for it. Tap on it and then scroll down and go to its storage and then click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that this will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you need to be very careful regarding that. After you're done clearing the cache and data, try closing all the background apps. Last but not least, you can also try uninstalling and reinstall the Roblox application. Tap and hold on to this application and tap on uninstall. Tap on OK to confirm, and then open Play Store or App Store, search for a Roblox application and install it from here. So hopefully this helps you fix the Roblox freezing issues on your mobile device. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.